Cullompton Rangers LFC. Cullompton Rangers LFC were an English women's football club. Formerly known as Exeter City L.F.C., the club amalgamated with Cullompton Rangers AFC and were formally granted a name change by Devon FA in 2006. They played their home matches at Speeds Meadow, Cullompton, Devon. In 2011, the club folded when the manager was forced to leave and a replacement could not be found. Honors as Cullompton Rangers LFC. Southwest Women's Football League Premier Division champions, 2008-9. Devon County Cup winners, 1. 2007 as Exeter City L.F.C. Pat Soden Cup winners, 2002. Southwest Women's Football League Premier Division champions, 2001-2 as Elmore Eagles LFC. Southwest Women's Football League Premier Division runners-up, 1. Vision runners-up, 1. Vision runners-up, 1. 1999-0. Devon Cup winners, 2 winners, 2 winners, 2 winners, 2 winners, 2 winners, 2. 1998-1999. Pat Soden Cup winners, 1 winners, 1 winners, 1 winners, 1. 1998. Southwest Women's Football League 3rd Division champions, 1 wins, 1 in. 1997-98. Seasons records. Squad. Staff. Manager, Phil Tuckett. Coach, Maxine Coop. Chairman, Bill Newcomb. Secretary C/O Emma Redwood.